Folks, it's July 23rd, 2019 at 11:30 a.m. here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. And so much for clear blue skies. It's definitely raining. But I like the sound of the rain. It's nice. Haven't heard any thunder and lightning so far this year. Usually we get a couple nice thunder and lightning storms. But so far now, just rain. So no out enjoying the beautiful sun today, that's for sure. Could sit under the umbrella and listen to the rain and watch the rain. But I also don't feel like getting sick. So yeah, showing you the weather here in Cape Breton. Have a good one, folks. I'm out.